Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This flash is really bright. I am out with Cheyenne. You would have just seen a little bit of B-roll if I can get the edit right. Basically, the way it worked was 2 hours ago, Cheyenne hit me up and he's like, bro, do you want to come over to Dublin Mall? And basically,
question: does your fan base even know what Dublin Mall is?
oh yeah, it's a mall in Pakistan.
Good.
Thanks, Cheyenne. So basically, all Cheyenne's links will be below because he's a vlogger as well. So he's like, yo, do you want to come over to Dublin Mall, which is a mall in Karachi?
Show them my driving. Show them how I drive. Let's see. Show the boys how it's done. Fucking hell, man! I thought that was a cop. I didn't want to get pulled over.
Dude, the cops don't have such bright lighting.
No, dude, no. It wasn't the lighting. It was the fucking reflectors.
Yeah, so basically, I was out with my family. I was out with my family actually at a sort of cafe thing, while I got the text from Cheyenne. So, by the time I got home and I actually got to
home and you masturbated? Is that what you said?
Dude, not legal for my fan base.
Oh, okay. I thought you hang out with your family and then you went home and masturbated, because that's kind of fucked up, if you ask me.
Forgive me, just like that. Anyway.
Hey!
So, effectively, he's like, I'm still here at like 10:15. So I'm like, yo, meet me at the mall. I'm gonna come over. So I headed home, dropped my family off at home, and then drove all over to the mall. Yeah, so because the mall was closing anyway, I'm like, yo, why don't we just go over to your place? It'll be a nice drive. Cheyenne, what did you say off camera when I'm like, yo, I'll drive? Where are you doing? What are you doing?
Just putting my phone. I said I want to see what your car drives like. Just want to get a feel of it, you know?
Yeah, so
I'm not disappointed. I really like his car.
If you guys know me well on this channel, you know I know about cars. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna plan anything. I'm gonna put some music on and I'm gonna turn this camera off because I don't want to get down for copyright, because I already have twice. Thanks, YouTube. Bye!
You know what's the worst thing about traffic jams? Fucking traffic jams. There's nothing good about it. Fucking assholes.
I'm vlogging, by the way.
Okay. That's some valuable piece of information I need later. Also on my YouTube.
Dude, look.
So let's give them some content, right? Do you think... Dude, we need some good music right now.
Copyright, bro. Shit's sake.
Dreams that you dreamed. We need some good music. Somewhere over the rainbows, birds fly. What is this guy doing?
Okay.
Oh, it's not comfortable.
Sit here. There you go. It's focusing now. Wait, should we just get like a taste of the audio with the AC on?
No, it doesn't matter.
Go on then.
Whenever you're ready.
I am ready.
ये खबर है मेरी आहें गुमशुदा था और कोई भी नहीं हम नगरा कोई भी नहीं
Fuck. Alright, can I just do one more because I did fuck up in the middle.
All right, so I thought that my day was finished when I actually ended up sleeping over at Cheyenne's. And I was gonna close the video there. That's when this guy hit me up. That's Jamal. He's a friend from London. Basically, we are actually. I'm just gonna flip the camera around in a minute. Yeah, so they're from Lahore. You remember my videos from Lahore, right? Yeah. So basically, these boys are. I know them through Jamal.
They're my cousins.
Yeah,
Your
they're
brother
your
too.
cousin. To introduce yourself to the
met him,
vlog, guys.
Ah!
Yeah.
I'm Mohammed Khan, his cousin, and I'm Shanawaz. I think we meeting for the first time. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try and film Jamal driving, some B-roll, and genuinely have a nice time. Tomorrow and I think day after this vlog is gonna be quite interesting because like I'm meeting up with Cheyenne again. So while he dances in the background. Oh, look at where I am now. I cannot believe Jamal and his friends have set me up for this. It's fantastic. Right now I'm by the coast, I'm by the sea, and right now there are boats outside. I'm gonna try and get some video of that. But right now there are clubs. There's clubs there. Boys are up there, and the whip we're in right now, man. If you guys know me, you know I love four-wheel drive cars, Jeeps, stuff like this. I gotta make this piece to camera very quick because I'm gonna get done for copyright. If they actually play some music. But yeah, man, honestly, I love this thing so much. If you guys know me, I love four-wheel drive cars more than I love my Corolla, and I really adore my Corolla, so that's saying something. Sorry. But yeah, it's around 3:35 a.m. As you can tell, it's quite bright. So, I'm gonna film some B-roll, try not to get down for copyright again, and genuinely tell you what this night is all about until while it wraps out.
Money,
Yeah?
hold this silver pipe for when we
This?
okay, wait.
This chair's fucked though. I can't, the chair's fucked. It'll be fine. I'm good. Bro, floor it. Oh, look at where I am now. I cannot believe Jamal and his friends have set me up for this. It's fantastic. Right now I'm by the coast, I'm by the sea, and right now there are boats outside. I'm gonna try and get some video of that. But right now there are clubs. There's clubs there. Boys are up there, and the whip we're in right now, man. If you guys know me, you know I love four-wheel drive cars, Jeeps, stuff like this. I gotta make this piece to camera very quick because I'm gonna get done for copyright. if they actually play some music. But yeah, man, honestly, I love this thing so much. If you guys know me, I love four-wheel drive cars more than I love my Corolla, and I really adore my Corolla, so that's saying something. Sorry. But yeah, it's around 3:35 a.m. As you can tell, it's quite bright. So, I'm gonna film some B-roll, try not to get down for copyright again, and genuinely tell you what this night is all about until while it wraps out. Hey guys, hold on. No, there's a, okay, no, I thought he was gonna do something. Basically, yeah, this has been an amazing, I'm just gonna spend some time with my friends off camera now because I haven't seen them in a while. I hope I've been able to portray all of my, amazing things, all the amazing things I'm doing tonight. I'm sure there will be more. I'm sure I'm gonna try and film something if it comes out. But that's it from me. I'm off to film some more videos now. Bye, guys.